The objective of this project is to allow the mobile robot to navigate from point A to point B while doing obstacle avoidance. This project is divided into two parts. The first part is called rough navigation. The second part is specific, more accurate navigation. So in this video, as we can see, the robot is now doing the first navigation, which is called rough navigation. Basically, we can put the robot anywhere as long as the robot is traveling towards the tags. In this video, as we can see, there is an obstacle in front of the robot. So the robot will try to avoid hitting the obstacle by rotating a certain degree and then travel left or right and then move forward again so that it can bypass the obstacle, and it will move towards the tags in front of the robot. While the robot rotates, the compass on the mobile robot will measure the heading information of the mobile robot, and it will compare whether the mobile robot has rotated a certain degree or not. As we can see, that the mobile robot bypassed the obstacle without touching it. The robot will then move to the array of tags, which is deliberately placed over there so that the mobile robot can relocate its position and trigger the next movement, which is rotate a certain degree so that the robot will move towards the board, the wood board, at an appropriate angle, and starts the specific and more accurate navigation. As we can see that there are 25 tags on this wood board. So basically we can specify any one of these tags as the endpoint, and the mobile robot will calculate its present location and the endpoint location so that it will travel along x-axis for a certain distance and travel along y-axis for a certain distance, and eventually get to the endpoint that is specified by the user. The location information of the robot is obtained from the RFID tags. For each RFID tag, I have programmed into a location information. For example, its first tag, the information is 0 and 0. So once the mobile robot comes to that tag, the RFID reader under the mobile robot will detect that tag and read the information of that tag, which is the position information of that tag. Then the mobile robot will know its global position in the environment. Then the LabVIEW program will calculate how far it is from the robot's present location to the endpoint in terms of its x-axis and y-axis, and then the mobile robot will move along x-axis and y-axis and eventually get to the endpoint.